Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. Cleaning, conditioning, protection, shop manager. What? You ready to go for a walk? Look, can I finish the video first? Thank you. Such a good girl. We want to condition, protect, clean the interior. I have it pretty much clean, except for the seat. I saved it for some products that I want to show off. This is one of them. Right here is the 3D LVP. So this cleans, conditions. I guess it has some mild surfactants to clean as well, but I'm looking for the conditioning and protecting. So it does all three in one bottle. This is an interior cleaner, conditioner, and protectant. So it's the 3D 910 LVP Conditioner. So this cleans, conditions, protects, and preserves leather, vinyl, plastic, any type of plastic, smooth, textured, pleather, rubber, and it puts down a nice protective, non-greasy, non-slippery layer. So if you like your interior freshened up, clean, and then cleaned and conditioned and protected with a product that won't leave the interior shiny, greasy, slippery, this may be for you. So let's give it a shot. Everything on the interior is pretty much really cleaned up nicely and protected, except for this seat here. We left this seat, you could probably even see compared to the seat across, it has body oils, it's shiny, it's darker from the dirt. So let me clean this seat with something I'm familiar with and will remove years of grime. The first thing I like to do is get forced air, an air chuck from the compressor. And, well, you can see right here, the stuff that is wedged in between the patches of the seats. And you want to get that out of there. So you'll do that first either with forced air, or what I'll do is I'll get one of these or a detail brush and I'll force it loose like this. And I'm going to come in and vac things up when I'm finished and I'm satisfied everything is kind of loose and ready to get out of there. Important, I mean, not only because it's dirt and it's gross and you want to get it out of there, but as you're getting in and out of the seat, these patches, these pieces are rubbing against each other, and if you have grit in there or this garbage, it's going to wear the leather or the vinyl or the plastic or the pleather or the Napa or whatever you have prematurely. With that step finished, I like to bring in this little mobile unit here, portable AeroVac. And suck all of the crud, loose dirt, grittiness, sand if they were at the beach. Get all that out of there. Before I spray it with the cleaner. The driver's side seat was really, really bad, really dirty. Let's see how bad this side is by running a piece of tape down the middle here. Use your favorite aggressive leather cleaner or all-purpose cleaner, especially on these heavily soiled seats. I'll also mist a little into the scrubber. And we'll go to work on this leather. See if we can clean it up a bit. Lots of oils, body oils, maybe some suntan lotion. Grit, grime. Okay. Now we come in with an old microfiber and mop up all that garbage that we just worked loose from the leather. Keep flipping the towel. Mop all that up. We remove the tape, and I know you can already see a huge difference. Just nasty. And I'm glad I'm getting this done. Now I will finish up the rest of the seat and get it ready for protection. Oh boy, look at all that garbage we pulled up from the seat. All right, now with the leather and the seat nice and clean, we just need the LVP. Any type of applicator, you can use microfiber, microsuede. This is a foam applicator here, dime a dozen, you can throw them away when you're done. And just something to go over the leather if needed to perfectly smooth things out and make sure we don't have clumps and high spots. Give it a good shake. Shake up that rich formula. Get the protective cap off of here. You can see it's a white, creamy substance. Looks like it's going to go on a little bit shiny, a little bit glossy, but that will kick back and that will cure. And I'll show you right here. Pop the cap, get a little bit onto the applicator. And since this is perforated, I like to kind of rub it in there. So when I go over those areas, it's not pushing the product into the holes. But we'll start here. Get each patch conditioned and protected. You can see it's a little shiny at first. Has a little bit of a sheen to it. No big deal. Again, that's going to cure looking and feeling natural. Very easy to work with. I'm told it has a pleasant smell. I wouldn't know. Pull these pieces and patches and little sections apart so you can get the protection in there, and then when dirt and grittiness slides its way into those crevices, hopefully it's protected and helps you get it out a little bit quicker. Look at that. As easy as that. Looks incredible so far. Let me get the rest of the seat. This is what it looks like after initial application. It has just a little bit of a sheen. We can just gently drag the microfiber over the leather, pick up any clumps or high spots. We'll let it go. I have some things to do. We'll come back in a couple hours and see what it looks like, see what it feels like. Does it make the seat slippery? Does it look shiny? Let's give it some time. Oh, that feels nice. Seat looks incredible. Seat looks brand new. Looks exactly like the other side. Doesn't have more of a sheen than the other side. Very nice. So the product can be used then on your plastics, any type of plastic. Here we have textured plastic. Here we have smoother plastic, different colors. And you can front to back condition and protect. That would be a great area. We got this real weird plastic here, rubber. You can condition and protect your seals, your rubber grommets. And you have a product that does a few things to quite a few different materials. Sweet. Feels natural, not sliding all over the place, doesn't feel slick, doesn't feel sticky or greasy. All right, guys, so far so good. How long does the protection last? No idea. Does it have UVA, UVB protection? No idea. Does it look good, feel good, smell good? Absolutely. Very happy with it so far. I'll put a link down below if you guys want to look into it. Again, this is the 3D910 LVP Conditioner, Cleaner, Protectant. This has been Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.